In this video, you'll learn how to create an Agentforce 360 account. This process will guide you through the necessary steps to set up your account efficiently and effectively. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Google homepage. You can do this by typing wp.google.com into the address bar and pressing enter. Next, type Salesforce into the search bar and hit enter. This action will display a list of search results related to Salesforce link, which should be one of the top results, and click on it to access the Salesforce website. Once on the Salesforce homepage, locate and click on the careers option. This section typically features job opportunities and information about working at Salesforce. After selecting careers, you will be redirected to the careers page. On the careers page, find the login button, usually positioned at the top right corner of the screen. Click on this button to proceed to the login section of Salesforce. If you are not already logged in, you will see options to either log in or create a new account. If you are prompted to log in, look for the option that allows you to try Salesforce for free. Click on Try for Free, which will lead you to the sign-up page for a free trial of Salesforce. On the sign-up page, locate and click on Sign Up Now to start your free trial. This action will take you to a form where you will input your information to create your account. You will now need to complete the form. Start by typing in your first name in the designated field. Ensure that you enter your name accurately, as this information will be associated with your account. Next, fill in the field for your last name. After entering your last name, move to the next field where you will input your job title. This information helps Salesforce understand your professional background. Continue by entering your work email address in the corresponding field. Make sure your email is valid, as it will be used for account verification, and then type in your phone number in the provided field. This information may be used for account recovery or support purposes. Now, click on the country/region drop-down menu to select your location from the list. This selection is important for tailoring your Salesforce experience. After that, you must agree to the main services agreement. Look for the checkbox indicating your agreement and click on it to confirm. Once you have completed the form, click on the Start Free Trial button. This action will submit your information and create your free trial account. A confirmation message will appear indicating that you are almost there. This message will instruct you to check your email for further instructions. Next, navigate to your email account by going to gmail.com or your preferred email provider. Once there, locate and click on your inbox. In your inbox, find the email titled Welcome to Salesforce. Verify your account. This email contains important information for completing your account setup. Click on the Verify Account link within the email. This link will take you to a page where you can finalize your account verification. After verifying your account, you'll receive a message indicating that your login details are on their way to your inbox. Keep an eye on your email for this information. Once you receive your login details, return to the Salesforce login page. You will need to enter your credentials to access your new account. If you need to reset your password, click on Ready for a New Password on the login page. Follow the prompts to initiate the password reset process. You will then be asked to enter a new password. Ensure that your password meets the security requirements. After entering your new password, you will need to confirm it by typing it again in the confirmation field. Once all password fields are filled, click on Change Password to finalize your password reset. Next, choose a security question from the available options. This question will help secure your account in case you forget your password. Type in your answer to the security question. Make sure to remember this answer, as it will be required for account recovery. Now you can proceed to customize your Salesforce experience. Click on what brings you to Salesforce to select your preferences. Continue by clicking on Sales, which will guide you through the onboarding process. Click Next to move forward. Next, you will be presented with various challenges. Click on any that resonate with you to help tailor your Salesforce setup. Finally, click on Submit to complete the setup process and start using your new Agentforce 360 account. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.